see that?
Yeah, I walked out right in front of it. So you can turn the camera to see if you're going to run over or not. Like that car backing out. You're basically blinding them, aren't you?
I don't know.
And you can turn and see that van, and you can see how bright the light is and how far it goes.
I don't know how fast I got it set for. That's it, that's top speed.
Where the hell are you going?
Off the front yard.
The grass.
I just want to crawl through the grass. See, the antenna's pointed down that way, so when I get down here, the range, the reception should be good. Yeah, that light is bright.
Yep. Oh, you're right on a tree, right? The lights are, or what the?
We could have changed that in the settings. Adjusted that. But yeah, that light's... I wonder if it'd be better without them. I think there's enough light around for privacy without them.
Turn one off.
Look, they're not even aiming at the ground.
Yep.
They're aiming way out. Look.
I see it. I'm watching.
Let me bring it back and shut them off, see if it helps it. Won't be as much attention.
Well, we can always put the red and blue light on the top.
I think that one's toast now.
What, red and blue?
Yeah. It was right underneath that cub we put down on the runway at the show. It'd be amazing if they still work, but the blues, well, it's right under there, right to your left, the plane without the motor. It's right in front of the landing gear.
Oh, let's see. One of them. I know, they're toast. Oh yeah, shorted it out. No, I think one will work, but I know the other one won't. Yeah, one of them's still intact. The red side. The other one's skipped. You stole my light and broke it.
How much was that little bugger?
I think it was $12.
Oh. Man, I wish the camera moved more, man. It's hard to cross roads without being able to really look left and right.
What did you do, put a ramp up right there?
Handicap.
Oh, yes.
Pepper box. No, let's try without the lights. Why not?
Oh.
Whoa, what happened there?
I don't know, I just kicked. Oh, hey, I know what might be. If you can't clear it up by backing up, that wire's underneath there. No? Okay, never mind.
There it goes. Oh yeah, that'll pinch it and cut it.
Yeah,
I gotta. Here, you see it on the camera.
yeah.
It's close call though, dude. It's.
Yeah, if it gets too far to the...
Oh, you barely bump it, it'll slice it.
Yeah.
Let's see, no lights. Yeah, I'm liking this.
Yeah, watch that pizza door, everybody's getting up. How thick is the sign outside? The plastic? 8?
Oh no, it's quarter.
That's why the light doesn't come through it. Very good. I always thought the sign was cheesy because that number one, the $10 cuts was not centered. The plastic on the bottom is wider than the top.
Look, I can't see shit, dude.
Do you care?
I think it's worse. The lights, there's gotta be some adjustment. The glare, the windshield.
Is there a plastic windshield you're looking through?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. Where it says $10 cuts, you put walk-ins welcome.
It's hard to see when you don't have no light.
Yeah, well, turn one on.
Man, these DX6 radios, dude, don't hold up long term. Feels like something's going on in the throttle in this. Oh look, you can see the tracks, dude, from the truck.
Yeah. Going through the wet grass.
There's the hole. Boom. I'm trying to figure out what else is out there. I know there's a ground rod down where I smacked one time. I think between that ground rod and that pole and the tree.
Speed it up.
Yeah, I gotta need it there if you need it a little bit. You can actually just leave it on that menu.
A 3x5 anti-fatigue mat is $43.88, free shipping. Made for barber chairs. It's got a cutout.
Does it say the diameter?
For the cutout?
Or for the mat?
3 foot by 5 foot. No, you put one
Oh,
on
it's flat.
Yeah.
Or I mean, it's square.
Well, no, it's not square. 3 foot by 5 foot. 5 foot long, 3 foot deep. And it's this one is 7/8 thick. They have one that's also 5/8. This is just on eBay. I ran across it. The 7/8 thick one is $58.88. Small price to pay for being a little more comfortable during the day.
Yeah. See the people, dude.
Yeah. More people.
Oh no.
Roadblock. You only have one leg? Nope, you have two. And you don't want to get run over.
I'm shaking.
Hey, knock it off.
See, are their lights on or? Yeah, they are, I think.
Yeah, like Kurt. Hey.
No. It won't do it. It's stuck. You get a kick out of that.
Yeah, you can't get up those heavy ones. Yeah, it's starting to rain. Oh yeah, you can see it. Now you're gonna glare like crazy.
Was that guy down there?
No, that guy just came out. Yeah, he was down there though. Yeah. Fucking rain.
Now, actually where the antenna line goes out,
Yeah.
that water will drip right down that hole right to the transmitter. Other than that, we're good. DRAGONLINK and the receiver and all that is in sandwich baggies. The servos are waterproof. The ESC is waterproof.
You literally just need to put around the antenna where it goes in just some of that mechanics or some putty.
Yeah.
Some of that stuff that
As long as you don't go fast and flip water up onto the... It seems like it is. The rain is hurting the frequency, isn't it?
possibly. Yeah, only one of your flashlights is working
Oh, that
occasionally.
receiver antenna's not out in the rain, is it?
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, the V.
what about the other one?
I don't know.
box?
I just know the V. I noticed the V. Oh, I feel better since I ate. Yeah, that stopped raining. Or, yeah, pretty much. It was just a little spit. Now it's just dripping.
Think this truck will make it under your truck? Oh, I can't get back up the curb.
You know? You almost do. But see, once you hit that first one, you gotta floor it and hit the other one because you kept on stopping and getting stuck.
It was full power.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'd have to crank it up.
Yeah, you'd have to crank it up.
Then once it tried to get up, with the wheels just turned, the differential spin out, and did you see one part where the tires were just?
Oh, yeah. When you were out here trying to get them up, you know, by the time you get it up, you know, you'd already lose momentum, and your tire spin wasn't good enough. I mean,
do you remember the tires that one kid had on his truck? Dude, they had these beat by like probably 2 inches.
really?
Remember that little one he's running around? He had
Oh yeah,
freaking tires on it. They were skinny but tall.
Yeah, skinny but tall. Just plain weird.
Damn, I should have asked him what tires he had. Another video.